friends, welcome to another aimless adventure, coming to you from Pioche, Nevada, a mining community in about the central portion of Nevada, or thereabouts. See some abandoned mines right up through there. We're going to go check out something that's pretty cool. I've never seen one of these before. It's called an aerial tramway. I think it's time we explore more. Now, back in the day when Pioche was a booming mine town, this bad boy right here would load up ore carts and send them via this cable all the way through these mountains, over and down to the factory where they'd be crushed up. Not sure if we can get through here and get into that thing. And this is rattlesnake country, so good thing I'm prepared. Looks like we can scale up here, maybe get a better look. Wow, this thing is impressive. Look at the size of these cables. You can see the wear on them if you look real close right there. Whew, a little winded. Looks like over here there's been a little bit of a fire. This bad boy got lit up. Look at the size of that hopper. Interesting enough, it's in the shape of Nevada. The planks of wood. You can imagine folks working down in there. I think that's one of the carts that would come across here. I'm not sure exactly how the mechanics worked on that. Any of you folks out there that know, feel free to share that info. As always, I'm just a dude who loves cool stuff and doesn't know what he's talking about half the time. That's okay, because this isn't PBS, and I can't get fired. Check that out. Well, my friends, that wraps up another aimless adventure. As always, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to help sponsor a future adventure, my Patreon page link is down below. Until next time, adventure on. Look who I found just sitting on the side of the road. The albino Smokey and the Bandit.